Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I will show you exactly how to make YouTube Shorts go viral in 2026 using the latest trick the algorithm loves right now. So if you want more views, more watch time and more subscribers from Shorts, keep watching till the end. So first of all, you need to simply just start with a strong hook in the first 2 seconds. So when you come here on YouTube and when you click on the option of shorts, you are going to see all of the shorts that has millions and millions of views. So you will notice that their first 2 seconds are the grabbing, meaning that they have a good hook in the first 2 seconds of the video. So you need to create the curiosity, or you can surprise your audience with a bold statement. You can also seek help from ChatGPT to write some of the greatest hooks that basically create curiosity in the people, and you can start using them in your own videos. Then you need to make the pacing of your video fast. As you can see, all of the shorts that you are seeing over here, you will notice that all of these videos are fast, whether they are telling any story or whether they are for entertainment. These videos are fast. So it should have a beginning, a quick build up, then a payoff, all within 10 to 30 seconds. You can cut every unnecessary pause. Shorter is equal to higher completion rate. So you need to remember this mantra. Then we have the option of the add on screen text with the keywords. So if there is a requirement for your own shorts that you need to add the keywords, so you can use the captions. You can use CapCut in order to add the captions, or there are some of the other captions relating tool where you can create the captions in one click of a button. So you can use those tools as well in order to add the captions to your video. So this is also going to help YouTube index your video, and it is also helpful for the search engine optimization of YouTube. So with the help of it, you can just simply start uploading at least 3 to 5 shorts every single week. Even better if you upload at peak times like in the evening or weekends. So this way you will be able to make the YouTube shorts go viral in 2026. If this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.